Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. I am getting ready. It is Sunday afternoon, Sunday, April 7th, 12:30. I'm actually headed out. I have a brow touch-up appointment because I got my brows microbladed a while ago. And I am starting on the tattoo on my arm that will eventually cover the bottom portion of my arm. So I'm going to do like it's called a half sleeve for now. I might go all the way up, but we shall see. But I'm getting ready, and I thought I would talk about some of the products that I'm using because this is currently the Sephora sale. So it's a good opportunity to get some Sephora items, and I'm going to share items that I would repurchase that are like really good items because I want to be really careful and just not like encourage people to just go out and buy a bunch of stuff. To be honest, I have a confession to make. I did not purchase one single Sephora item. I probably should get some refills on a couple of things that are getting low, and I probably will do that. But I have decided that instead of purchasing new items, when I had the crave for something new, I would go into my drawer and start using a product that I haven't used in a really long time because I have plenty of products. So I'm not actually purchasing anything new, but this is the Makeup by Mario. It's so dirty because I use it every day. The Makeup by Mario Master Mattes, and it is my daily eyeshadow palette. I use it every single day. I would purchase it again and again. I love it. And this would be a good purchase. So this is like my daily wear. So I'm going to go ahead and put my eyeshadow on, but let's speed it up so this doesn't take all day. This is my Glossier Brow Flick that I love and I have repurchased. This is like the third, oh, I'm so dumb. I'm going to go get my brows done. I should probably not focus any more makeup on over my, I probably shouldn't have even put eyeshadow on. I'll leave the eyeshadow for now, but I'm a dum-dum, but I would get this. Glossier. This is the Brow Flick in black. And you make the brow marks with it, but I am so dumb because I'm getting my brows done. This, I just did dots on either side. This is the blush from Rare Beauty in color Bliss. I love this. I've been using it a really long time. It's probably almost gone, and I just put it like that. And then this is the blush brush from Patrick Ta, which I love, by the way. And I use the flatter end and kind of just press it in. Like that. And then I do touch the top of my nose too with it. Next is something I have purchased multiple times, like 3 or 4 times. 2.5C, the Kosas Creamy Concealer. It's the only concealer I can wear right now that doesn't make me look like an old lady. And I just do a little bit like that. And then I also do a swipe up like that so I can give myself a little eye lift. And I touch the tip of my nose. A little bit right here. any area that you want to lift that's like sunken in is where you want to put it. So here, I put some, and the chin. You can even put some at the tip of your Cupid's bow. Then this excellent, 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 best concealer brush ever, the Hourglass concealer brush, which needs to be, I need to wash my brushes so bad. But then I just tap it in, and I pull it, you know, I put it only in a couple little spaces, but I use that same product kind of all over. I do it down the side of my nose and all underneath my eye. And then I take it all the way up here to give a little eye lift. So the Makeup Forever pencils are my favorite. This is the one I put in my waterline. I'm trying to read it. Bisque, Boundless Bisque. And this is Anywhere Caffeine. This is my lip liner that I use daily. This is the One Size Ultra Pink setting powder. This is what I use to set my concealer. And I love it. This is the foundation brush from Patrick Ta. I'm going to link as many of these things as possible. And I kind of just place the powder kind of everywhere that I put my concealer, and I just let it sit for a while before I like take it off. Kind of baking, I guess, is what you can call this. Now I'm going to put this liner on. And then my lip is Anastasia Peachy Nude Matte, Creamy Matte. All right, and probably the last thing that I'll share is the Airbrush setting powder. I love this. And that's it. So maybe hopefully you guys got some Sephora sale tips. Good morning. Oops. It is the next day. Sorry, I have to whisper because it's 4:30 in the morning. I didn't end up vlogging yesterday. I don't know why. I just kind of like focused on conversation, and because I was with my cousin. Sometimes I just have a hard time vlogging when I'm with a lot of people because I'm socializing. Anyways, I did get my tattoo. It's all, you won't be able to see it really because it's just looks mushy because there's this plastic on it, but it's hydrangeas, which is the flower of the Azores, which is where my parents are from, where they immigrated from. So that's got to stay on for 5 days. You won't be able to really see it, but, and I didn't finish. We didn't get to the whole thing because it was taking too long and I was tired. It's crazy how your body just kind of like shuts down after a while. I did it for 3 hours or so, and you just get so wiped. Anyways, I thought I would just kind of like take you all along for today. just kind of like on a typical Monday, like a typical work day. I'm up early. I've been up since 4, so on Mondays I post my podcast, so I've got to do that. Do some work. This is where I do the bulk of my work in the morning, so I'm going to do some work, and then I'm fasting, so I won't be eating, but we will be going to the grocery store. So you will get a little grocery haul with some meal ideas from the grocery haul and all of that. So the gym, grocery haul, just kind of like house stuff catching up around here. So that's what we're doing. When I'm fasting, I still allow my energy drink in the morning, and then I'll have a little bit of, I think the energy drink, and then I'll have pre-workout before my workout. I'll have pre-workout and I'll still have creatine. I'm kind of like dragging ass this morning, but it is only 4:53. All right, 6:30 a.m. I am getting dressed. We will be heading to the gym, but not till later. On Mondays, we have some meetings. Mike has a meeting every Monday, a standing meeting. I have client check-ins. What else do we have going on? Oh, we have a team meeting with my assistant and Mike. The 3 of us get together every Monday and just kind of plot out the week in terms of what we have going on, client stuff. If you don't know, I have a coaching business, online coaching business. I basically help people lose weight, learn macros, personal development, life coach of some sort. So my husband and I have that business together. And so on Mondays, we kind of plot out the week. And then we also have our podcast that we do together. He has his individual podcast. And we just figure out what's on the calendar, when we're doing what, all that fun stuff. So Mondays are kind of like a busy work day. We hit the ground running. Plus we go to the gym, obviously, and then we shoot content all throughout the day. And then lately we've been doing that fast. And so we thought last vlog we went to the grocery store while fasted, and I actually really loved doing that, as odd as it sounds, because we were hungry. But it actually inspired me, and we ended up having the best meals last week because of that. So I actually will be, in this vlog, we'll be doing a grocery haul. And then this week, I will also be posting a full day of eating. That will probably go up either Wednesday or Thursday. So whatever the product of our grocery haul is, I will be doing in a full day of eating. So if you're not subscribed, now's your chance to get subscribed and hit that bell to be notified, so that you don't miss a video, because there's lots of food inspo on this channel. All right, so let's do an outfit of the day. This is CRZ Yoga. I love these little half zips. It's like my favorite. I have 3 of them. I have a black, a pink, and then this is like a taupey color. These are Align leggings, and these are like my favorite Nikes. They're like the waffle Nikes. I will link everything down below. The doggos are dogging, doing their thing. And I'm probably going to do a little walk-in work. Because I have some editing to do. So, that's a perfect opportunity. I get on my walking desk and do that. I also need to start a load of laundry. Pajamas in there too. Oh, I want to show you guys these because they were a good deal. First of all, I got this bodysuit from a company called Poppy Lush. It's like this brown satin shapewear bodysuit. It's a little boobalicious though, so I'm not sure when I will wear that. Probably with like a blazer or something over it. But I wanted to show you these jeans. I have these in a blue color and they were on clearance at Zara. Aren't they cute? They're like a very washed out, almost like gray khaki. And I love them. I think they're so cute and they were only 35 bucks. Here is the tag. Regular 60. I think these are going to be super cute. Oh, and they fit so good. They are these perfect for spring. They're cargos from Target. High-rise cargos. Aren't those cute? I love them. I'll probably wear them this week because it's going to be a nice weather this week, so I'll probably wear them. I have been needing more like non-workout clothes because I go to the studio and do the podcast, so like I produce a podcast and you know there's guests and I just don't always want to be in workout clothes, but I still will wear workout clothes. Are you in Mama's chair? Look at that. You need the groomer. Soon we're going to go to the groomers. Good morning, Charles. Good morning. Look at this cute face. Look at this cute face. Alright, I wanted to show you guys these. I'm going to pop them in the fridge. But have I showed you guys these on the vlog yet? They're called Prime Bites. I got them off of TikTok and they're like these protein brownies and they're actually very, very good. So, I got a mixed box and there's all kinds of different flavors. But, oh, I love them. Honestly, they're so good. So, I recommend. This is my favorite, actually. It's blueberry cobbler. So good. I've been having them as like my nighttime treat. 20 grams of protein. Someone bought ground turkey breast and didn't eat it and went bad. I'm vlogging today. Just random, you know? I wish that I could find the dates on the food easier. I don't know if this is I'm blind or what the deal is. When the captions won't load? Not good. May 20th. Yeah, I want to do something with these meatballs this week.
Okay. I might smack chicken.
Yeah, let's put it in the fridge.
It's just so good.
Yeah, it's good. It was frozen, so it's just cold.
How's yours?
No, I think maybe Tyler or something. We have lots of cheese, so we don't need any cheeses. We have slice, lots of roe. Yeah, I want to do something with the meatballs, and then I'll probably want to do like a wrap. Where did we get? Oh, that's gone, but we can get the one that we make, the shawarma. That was so good.
We go to Costco.
I definitely would get the shawarma again. That was
we go to Costco today,
really good.
Good, any good? a little bit of sourdough right too.
I wanted to have them yet.
They're
The
good.
mini ice cream. I forgot about them
They're very
actually.
low
90 calories.
Yeah, quick little snack.
The mini ice cream sandwiches. Throw this shit out.
You know, I got bread for PB&J.
Oh, I was gonna say we should try the sugar-free syrup with butter to toast the bread and do the toasty
With omelets and noodles,
PB&J.
yes. That's 100%.
Yeah.
It'll go good on the keto bread, you think? It'll toast good, you think? That way?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Because I would use that French toast bread they sell in the store, but it's heavy.
No,
It's too
I would
many
also
calories.
do maybe is sourdough not good for PB&J?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, it's good.
Sourdough.
Yeah, because they're a packed protein, so they'll make up for it in protein, right?
Yeah. Alright, you guys, I am walking and editing. This is where I stack. I'll do like 2 hours like this. I've gotten to the point where I can do 2.5 while I'm editing, which is pretty good. And so I'll do 5 miles basically in 2 hours. And that's 10,000 steps for me. So anything else I get during the day, throughout the rest of the day, is a bonus. So I'm getting more like 14 to 15,000 steps a day, as long as I do this every day. And I'm gotten better about really doing it at least 6 times a week. So it's a great way to get work done and get the steps in. Anyways, we're in the car. We are headed to work out. So on Mondays, since we fast, we have all our like meetings and work stuff in the morning. You guys saw, I already did my steps. We like to go work out a little later so that by the time we're done working out, we go to the grocery store, and then it's like late afternoon by the time we get home.
Yep.
How do you feel?
Not too bad, actually. I was a little hungry earlier. It's kind of going away, but I'm more tired than anything.
Yeah.
A little more sleep. 4 a.m. is tough sometimes.
Yeah.
I could have slept longer, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, me too. I was like, what the fuck? Because he set his alarm this morning. And I kind of went to bed a little later last night. And then, like I said, I'm worn out from my tattoo. Like, I feel like it wore me out. And so I feel sleepy. But that's okay, because if I'm tired, then I'll go to sleep earlier. And end the fast. But I'm sleepy on the way to the gym. I don't know if that's a good. It's good. Yeah.
Okay, we'll wake up once we start working out.
We will.
How much you walk?
Yeah, I already got in almost 5 miles. 4.5.
Here.
Yeah.
I just don't catch you.
So after the gym, we will do some grocery shopping. So I'll take you guys along for the grocery shopping. Let's see what we can find this week, because last week we did pretty good. So we'll see if the creative juices are flowing or not. Hopefully they are. All right, the gym is done. Now, we also did, like, I went into the studio and I was working on some content. We went live. So look at you guys, it's already 3 o'clock now. See how quick the day has gone?
You got more, you know what? You got a second fucking win, because you were dead a couple hours ago. Remember when we first got there? You were dead.
Isn't that weird?
You got a second pep, like you just...
Isn't that weird? I was dying when I was
workout?
sleepy, like I wanted to go to sleep.
Yeah. How was your workout?
It was okay. I'm not gonna say it was like the best.
Yeah, mine was pretty good. I made the best of it. I did all right.
It was decent.
It's okay. At least you're being honest.
I got it done.
You push through?
I got my steps in for the day. I got my weights in for the day. I'm not, you know, not every workout's going to be like hit it out of the park.
You sound more fired up on live than I did.
Yeah, you were kind of a little low energy.
A little low energy. I got my caffeine. I'm about to get my second win, so I still got to go walk, get my steps. You got steps on me, that's what.
That I should be worse.
I don't know. Maybe it just woke you up. Maybe.
I don't know.
Something.
I did have Diet Coke. That gave me a little bit of. Anyway, okay, I call it the trifecta. We're going to the trifecta. The trifecta equals Trader Joe's, Target, Sprouts. So, you guys are gonna come along with. Got not shredded cheese, string cheese.
String cheese. Oh, we gotta go back
that way.
There. Yeah. We'll go back.
But we'll go back. But we do need. I do need other things though. I need rice cakes. A teaspoon.
Yeah, I always use 10 grams of my oatmeal.
Yeah. No, that's delicious because it tastes really good over cottage cheese.
What kind of bread? Should we get the sourdough bread from here or from Sprouts?
This is so good. You know, this will be good when I make the Mega Fit pizza. I'll put it on that too.
That's what I made you back in the days.
Oh my God, yes. Probably the same. Nothing bad. Nothing. Oh, it's higher. Okay, because of the jelly.
20 though. It's not that bad for 2 tablespoons. What you only get.
What is this deliciousness? S'mores sweet spread? Ooh, 220.
No, that's not macro friendly.
Let's see. Cinnamon creamy almond butter. This is kind of like the snickerdoodle one that I had. Granola butter. Vanilla granola butter. Ooh. Cinnamon snickerdoodle. This is the one I just had. It's so good. I'm almost done with it. I have tons of nut butter, so I'm not going to get any more, but yum. Look at this. I'm going to laugh because it says protein, right?
Yeah, turn around.
That's just so that you could get it. Protein.
Catchword. See you guys? How many calories is that?
But it's 200 calories.
For this little package?
Yes.
How much protein? 5 grams. Nope.
No.
Not worth return on investment.
That would be a...
That'd be a no-go.
But see, they advertise it as protein so that you think that it's like energy bars. Why are they called energy bars? They don't give you any energy, and they're 250 calories and 10 grams of protein.
Terrible return on investment, you guys.
Boo.
Horrendous. See? It's good. To let y'all know the truth. Oh, you need a string cheese? Anything else?
10 grams. Everything is advertising protein these days. That's actually not bad. 140 calories, 10 grams. I mean, it's not great, but it's not bad.
That ain't bad.
Sticky cinnamon. These are new.
Shall we try?
Yeah, I want to try it actually.
I want to try that one.
Yeah, this is because my favorite.
What is it?
10 grams of protein.
Still not too bad.
No.
It's a good snack.
I want to try it. That I will try. New product. This is where the hunger is kicking in because everything looks delicious. So I have to stop myself.
Yeah.
Everything looks good. It's all the same. Which chips are macro friendly?
healthier.
Any chips that you want
all the
because
same
they're
calories.
all the same calories. They're about 130 to 150 per serving. So get the chips that you want. Light string cheese. I don't need that many. 60 calories and 7 grams of protein per stick.
How much?
60 calories and 7 grams of protein.
Take notes. Take notes, you guys.
Boom.
Gaming them up.
Oh, it looks yummy. Oh, I need deli meat here. The chicken breast, the oven roasted chicken breast was delicious. Or let's see. Ooh, garlic and herb. No, I'm going to do the garlic and herb. Look at that. Garlic and herb. Yes, I will take that. Do you want to get this one? I usually do this one. That's sliced. This sourdough.
That's a good one.
I like this one. And it's pre-sliced, fresh baked sourdough. Oh no, I wasn't getting it for that. I was just getting it for other things that I'm making.
Oh.
But okay, these are the soups. This is the brand that we showed you guys last time. So we're back for more soups. The macros on this, look at this one, chicken and riced cauliflower. 150 for the entire jar. So we're gonna get this one again, the spicy chicken enchilada, because this was so hearty and delicious. Very good. Wow, look at Rouse has their own soups now. I want to see what their soups are. Oh, wow. Tomato basil soup. $90 calories a cup. That's really good. I'll have to try that next time. Such good options. Because you could do this with like a grilled cheese sandwich and dip it in there. So you guys got to try these. This is good too. Butternut squash, only 150 calories a cup. Yum.
Yeah,
Jeff's Garden. So this is where I get the pickled onions usually. And look, they don't even have any, huh? They sell out all the time.
They're not good.
So when I see them, oh no, they're down there. There's some down there.
Want them?
Let me see. Is there more than one? Nope.
There's like maybe 2, 3 left in there.
Yeah, I'm
I
gonna
would
get
them
one
and have
actually.
them, 'cause you use them.
Yeah, I eat these in my sandwiches in the wraps.
Yes.
Okay.
You know what I want to show you?
We don't need any jam, but I heard this is really good. Chia smash, 25 calories for a tablespoon. And they have lots of different flavors. Like I said, I don't need any, or I would try it, but that is a good brand to try here at Sprouts.
Just killing a lot of time.
Yes.
I'm dumb. I was about to say, babe, what are we having for dinner tonight?
Oh,
We're having water.
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 Nothing.
Maybe some Diet Coke, caffeine.
I definitely am going to go to sleep early, but I'm tired anyway, so.
I'm going to join you.
All right, one more stop, Trader Joe's, here we come. All right, you guys, here is my full stocked fridge. Fresh fruit, that is the key, fresh washed fruit at all times. So I'm well stocked for a lot of fun meals and things for social media this week. So stay tuned to my Instagram as well as this channel for some yummy meal ideas. Finally back home, and I have to get some work done. But let me take a look. Let me take a look at the time. 4:50, guys. It's almost 5 o'clock. It is, oh, there we go. The dogs just had dinner. Come on. Come on. Oh, they both jumped at the same time. Oh, my babies. My tattoo looks like a big blob because it's got this plastic on it, and it just looks like because it's like oozes. Okay, I gotta show you something cute that I got. Etika. Super cute. It is like an ear cuff. We're gonna try this on. I've been gone all day, so they're gonna be extra clingy. Phoebe just collapsed right into my lap. So the grocery store was good. I have some good things slated for the menu this week. So like I said, on social media, both Instagram and YouTube, stay tuned. I'm trying to give you guys more food content. But on that regard, I also have, I'm wearing my Mega Fit Meals shirt. I just ordered Mega Fit Meals. So next week's vlog, we're gonna talk about Mega Fit Meals because I have a new shipment of Mega Fit Meals coming in next week, and I got some new things to try there. I love Mega Fit Meals. I like to mix it up because on super busy days, I do not feel like cooking. So if I'm not doing content, then I just want to have a Mega Fit Meal, and they're delicious, macro friendly, easy to fit into my allotment. Anyways, let me try to put this little thing on. I think it will be cute. I hope it doesn't hurt. Oh, there There we go. There we go. Oh, that's cute. Oh, I like it. So cute. That's kind of it for today's vlog. I'm not doing much else other than working. So hopefully I got enough content for you guys. I got to get better with this. I feel like I've been slacking for you guys a little bit, but we are a little bit tired and we have some work to do. I don't think we should be vlogging on Mondays anymore because it's just too hard when mom is hungry and busy. All right, you guys, we will see you on the next one.